Common plumbing mistakes that homeowners make. First, make sure you change your washing machine lines regularly, every 10 to 15 years. So if you haven't, make sure you change them now. Also, make sure your insurance doesn't want braided supply. Speaking of braided supply, a common DIY error is to put Teflon tape on the compression joint. You do not need compression tape. The joint is made inside at the gasket, so putting tape on is redundant. And also, do not over tighten it or you will squish the gasket. Next, pouring Drano down a copper drainage pipe. Now they say Drano does not affect copper. I beg to differ. It does. The next is letting your toilet go over the overflow tube down to the bowl. This is why you may have a phantom filling, and most of these fill valves, if not all of them actually, have adjustments on them. Next, clean out your sink drains. This is one of my most hated calls. I hate charging people for doing this. Just take it out and clean it. Often your drain is not blocked. You just need to clean the pop-up of the drain. Next, if you see a faucet with corrosion like this, do not let it go. It's just going to get worse, and eventually it could flood your house. So if you see this, address it now. Next, stop treating your dishwasher like a garbage disposal. Rinse your plates off before you put them in. They have small drains. Next, if you see corrosion buildup or any leakage down your drains, address it now because it is leaking. It just has debris blocking the leak temporarily. Next, if you have outside taps and you live in a cold climate and you have these frost freeze, take your garden hose off. This faucet is designed to shut off inside the house, back here. So when you leave a garden hose on, it can't drain and it will burst. Next, tub drains, same as sink drains. Clean the hair out of there. I don't like charging people to do this. It's easy to do. It's not the drain most times, it's just that there's hair stuck in the tub drain. And lastly, know where your water main is. Know how to shut the water off to your house. I'm always surprised when people can't shut their water off. Thanks for watching.